Happy Saturday morning. We're here at our friend's Central Air Freight. We're setting up to do some floor cleaning, carpet, and some textured vinyl tile. It's always a good day when we could tie right into the customer's hot water and use our auto fill and our auto pump out. Rob's setting up the Nautilus. As you can see, the floor looks pretty dirty and abused. The daily mopping just is not doing it anymore. In addition to doing their lunchroom and bathroom floors, we're going to be cleaning the carpet in the shipping office. I'm setting up to use my RX unit, my rotary unit. We're going to hook that up to the truck mount. We should knock this out in no time at all.